Hey tweakers, believe me, you can make a bootable USB to install Windows 11 through an Android phone using an OTG connection. It is not common, but it works. Since my Android phone has internet connection and a feature of OTG connectivity to connect the USB flash drive. Step 1. You need to download the official Windows 11 ISO file, open Chrome app and type Windows 11 download. And go to Microsoft's official download page. It is important to use the official source to stay safe. Go to the section Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO for 64-bit devices. Select Windows 11 and click Download Now. Choose your language and click Confirm. Then click on 64-bit Download Now. The download should start. After a while, you will see a file named Win11. About 5 to 6 GB now starts downloading to my phone. Make sure your phone has 8 to 10 GB free storage. Next, I needed a way to burn that ISO to a USB drive via my phone. I found the app called Rufus, which is perfect to convert ISO image to bootable USB installer. It is a free clone tool like Rufus but made for Android. This free app can write ISO files, even Windows ISO, directly to USB drives over an OTG connection with no rooted required. I installed it from Google Play. I also made sure I had the Files by Google app on my phone to verify the USB shows up and browse the files easily. Now the hardware part. I used a USB flash drive with at least 8 GB free. It has both Type A and Type C ports, like this SanDisk drive I bought today. If you do not have such pen drive, you should have to use the USB Type A to Type C OTG adapter to plug the pen drive to your phone. Make sure that the OTG is connected properly. On some Android phones, you might need to enable the OTG connection from the Settings app. So at this point, the Windows 11 ISO is downloaded on the phone. Hence, I have plugged the USB flash drive to my phone. And to let just confirm, we will go through the Files app to see whether it has connected or not. Give it access to manage the files in your storage. Here in the All Storage section, you can see the new SanDisk USB drive now connected successfully. Now we can continue. Now comes the essential part of making the USB bootable. So open the Rufus app. Allow Rufus to access the USB drive to create a bootable USB. Then click on Pick ISO button and select the Windows ISO file that you downloaded now in the download folder. Choose MBR or GPT. MBR works for older computers having legacy firmware and GPT is for newer computers with UEFI firmware. Click on Start button. First you have to earn 2 free coins by watching 2 ads. Important: if you have important data on the USB, back it up first. The process will erase everything on the drive. Better safe than sorry. Once you have collected 2 coins, you can proceed to use this app. The bootable USB creation has started. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for it to finish to get it bootable ready USB. Kept the phone awake until the write finished. After some time, it has shown a message that the burning process of ISO file is successfully completed. My bootable Windows 11 USB was ready. Finally, you can remove the USB drive from your phone and insert the USB stick to your PC port where you want to install the Windows operating system. Turn on your PC and press the boot key. On my laptop it is F9, but it could be F2, F10, F12, escape or delete depending on the manufacturer. You can take your selections as shown here on the screen. I chose the USB drive to boot. Now we are in the standard Windows setup environment to install Windows operating system on it. At this point, the normal Windows 11 setup installer runs. I selected the options at the setup page as per my preferences. In about 15 minutes, I was back at the clean Windows 11 login, thanks to that bootable USB created entirely on my Android phone. If this video helped you, like it and share it with anyone who might needs it. Comment below if you have questions. Subscribe for more tech guides and fixes. Keep tweaking and fixing with Adrius. Thank you for watching.